Before 5, I'm your host Shara, and today we're going to be making pineapple upside down cake delight cupcake. Yes, I know you're like, what? Because I was like that too when I first heard about this. So, pineapple upside down cake is one of my favorite cakes to bake. What about yours? If it is yours, leave that down in the comments. And today we're going to be making that drink. So let's get right into it. Let's go with the ingredients. First thing we're going to do is our base is going to be 100% pineapple juice. We're going to be using ginger beer. Next on our list is Bacardi rum. Any light rum will do. Some Grenadine. This one's by Finest Call. Y'all know I love my Torani syrups. So therefore we're going to use a splash of salted caramel. And last but not least, we are going to use Torani cupcake. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to use 8 ounces of our ocean spray. We're going to use 8 ounces of our pineapple juice here. And I'm just going to put this into our mixing glass. Alright, our next ingredient we're going to be using is our rum. We're going to use an ounce of this. So delicious. And then we are going to be using our Grenadine Syrup, which is going to be a ½ ounce. Looks so delicious. Smells very cherry. Alright, so we're going to use a 1/4 ounce of cupcake. And the reason why we're using a 1/4 is because we're going to give this pineapple upside down cake the cake part of this drink. And we're going to use 1 ounce of the salted caramel. Ooh, that smells delicious. Just going to mix all that up. And while that's still in the mixing glass, I'm going to go ahead and open up the ginger beer. Alright, so we're going to just top it off with 2 ounces of ginger beer. And this is the reason why we are stirring. If we shook it, this would actually probably pop off when we open the top up. So we're just going to finish our last stir there. And now we're going to pour it in our very cute glass. Look at this beautiful color. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Time to do a taste test. Oh my, this is delicious. It tastes just like a pineapple upside down cake. So if you like pineapple upside down cake, just imagine what the drink version tastes like. Thanks again for watching Before 5. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends and your family. Let's grow this channel together. Have a wonderful day.